What is up, guys? Welcome back to Solving Factory. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to download the 8-ball pool game on your PC. Let's get started. First, you need to install an Android emulator. Open your web browser and go to BlueStacks.com. Click the download button on the homepage. Once the file is downloaded, open it to launch the installer and follow the steps to install BlueStacks on your device. After installation, open BlueStacks and navigate to the Google Play Store from the Android home screen. Log into your account if prompted. Search for 8-ball pool, click the install button, and wait for the download and installation process to complete. Once done, click the play button to open 8-ball pool and start playing on your PC. Solving Factory at your service. Kindly give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and leave a comment for your suggestions. We'll see you on the next video.